Okay, so welcome to my presentation. So my website is HealthyEating website, the HealthyEating website. Okay, um, it's a modern, user-friendly web application that helps users plan healthy meals and to discover recipes and maintain better eating habits. It is powered by Spoonacular API. So I use the Spoonacular API. Okay. All right. So this is my GitHub. As you can see, I just committed not long ago. These are my local, this is my local environment with my codes. This is my JavaScript. Actually, I have a lot of JavaScript files here, which manipulates the DOM. Okay. And the index.html is my root file. Okay, so my home page. Okay, so when I demonstrate the website, it will show more into details how the code functions. Okay, so now let's look at the local environment. Okay, so I also added a page loader. All right, so this is my website. When you click on About, it takes you to the About Healthy Eating, what it's all about. Okay, it's about all-in-one meal planning. So we give all-in-one meal planning service, the feature. Okay, so basically, if we're developing fully, I could have created an app, okay, whereby people will subscribe and even hear as well. So these are testimonials from users. If you want to customize that, this will take you to the meal planning. So this is for kids. And if one wants to sign in, okay, this is the sign-in page, and this is the sign-up page. All right. So let's go back. Okay, so these are some videos I threw in. Okay, they are not my videos, but just to beautify the page, and also it's about healthy eating. So I also have a shop, okay, and I have some products in the shop. Okay, these are all dynamically displayed. So when one clicks on the add to cart, the item is added to the cart. One can increase the number, decrease the number of items. One can clear the cart. Okay, so if I clear the cart, it's empty. Let's go back and reselect an item. So select an item. I want two of it. Now let's proceed to cart. I proceed. It brings me to the checkout page. Okay, just fill in your details. That's your name, email, phone number, and your address. And choose a payment method. One can choose the credit card and fill in credit card information. One can choose mobile money. So in West Africa, we use mobile money. So you can also choose the provider MTN, Vodafone, or Airtel. And the last option is to pay on delivery. That is when the product is brought, the person pays on delivery. Okay. Now our products are foods, okay, healthy foods that people we suggested for people to buy. So when one places their order, that person is taken to the confirmation page. This is how the confirmation page looks like. So you can see shipping is included in the subtotal and the information of the person is being shipped to and the payment. Okay, one can print this receipt or download the receipt. Okay, so now let's go to the recipes. Okay, so to get a recipe, you can search. So I want garlicky kale. I just type it and click on find recipes. And the API shows the recipes that I want to find. Okay, so let's go back and look for maybe meaty, something meaty. So I want something meaty but healthy. So click on find recipe. As you can see, there are a lot of them. Okay, when you click on the recipe to take you to the details of the recipe, okay, so that you'll be able to prepare the meal that you want to prepare. Okay, aside searching, the user can also use the diet type to filter the recipes. And one can also click for more recipes. So you load more recipes. Okay. So that type vegetarian, I can do gluten-free. As you can see, it gives gluten-free. Can load more recipes. Okay. So this is it. All right. I can also use the meal type, so breakfast, to filter the recipes, as you can see. Okay, so this is the local environment. Now let's go to the remote environment. So, all right, so this also works the same way. But let me demonstrate. Okay, so the sign up is the same as the local. Sorry, the sign up is also the same as the local. When I hit the about page, and I hit the about page, it will take me there just as I demonstrated earlier, as you can see. All right, so let's go to the shop. Let's try adding this to the cart. As you can see, the same functionality. So I fill in my information. I choose maybe mobile money. Let's put in a mobile money number. So Vodafone, then place order. So it takes us to the confirmation page, which can be downloaded. Okay, so it has been downloaded. Okay. So this is it. So one can download and keep it, record keeping. Okay, then one can also print it. So let's return to the home and demonstrate how the API works as I demonstrated earlier. Okay, so let's do meaty to find recipe. So everything meaty, see, it shows. I can find more recipes. Okay, and I can also filter using the diet type. So for vegan, okay, can do breakfast. Okay, so there are no breakfasts for vegans. Dinner. Okay, so I think that has to be fixed. Okay, so Lao. Okay, right. So this is how my web app works. Okay, and the API works perfectly. Once again, my name is Florian Educauche, and I've learned a lot from this class using API and event listeners to manipulate, and it's JavaScript to manipulate the DOM. Okay, I'm learning and exploring new APIs for different projects. Thank you for watching.